setting the alarm so that we know when it's
And here we are, Silver Springs, Florida. Hopefully we get able to catch one of these boat rides out here. There was a lightning watch or whatnot, so it kind of set us 30 minutes back. So, but we're going to try to get on the glass bottom boat here and check out what we can see.
We'll go over to get shot. Look at the water, how pretty it is.
Mm-hmm.
We can walk over there.
Yes.
I'm so glad we decided to do this.
No,
Look
I know.
how it like shimmers, like the rocks underneath, like in the sunlight.
I was talking about a bird.
Oh, did the bird catch one?
Yeah, you could definitely dive this, like scuba dive and stuff. And I don't think there's alligators in this water either.
No, I think you're capable, but I don't think you're allowed.
Mm-hmm. I think you're capable. I'm just saying I'm not. Yeah, you're capable. Not. I'm not sure they'd let you. And I guarantee you, some people do come over here and scuba dive. Like the people who work here, probably,
Oh, sure.
and do work on it and stuff.
Big old fish.
That's awesome.
But how beautiful is this? And this is all natural.
Mm-hmm.
Remember.
Absolutely.
Feel that breeze? Just enjoy the breeze. Oh, that's super deep.
Yeah. I knew it got deeper in here. I knew it wasn't that shallow.
Like it just blows me away.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's an alligator bar.
Where? Where do you see alligator car?
Right there.
Oh, sure
See,
is.
pointed nose?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's cool.
You know, the things get about 6 feet long.
Yeah, they big. They can get real big.
Is that a baby?
Probably, yeah. Probably a teenager.
Teenager. Yeah, I bet that thing gives a good bite.
Wild monkeys.
We got wild monkeys up here?
They got monkeys.
Well, you probably see them down here. Oh, here's the kayaks. see people doing the kayaking. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to get on that kayak. That's awesome. Yeah, those are awesome. Wonder how much they charge to get on the paddle boats and
More.
kayaks. I hear the monkeys. You sound like a monkey.
You always want a Dumbo?
I'm hearing them now. This kind of reminds me of the Bridge of Cheehaw.
Oh, yeah. Different foliage. Oh, see, it's not so hot in here because it's shade. Please do not feed the wildlife.
It does look like a jungle out here.
The bird only understands.
No swimming? It looks like it would be so fun to swim in though. See all kind of fish in there.
Alright, we're gonna have to start walking back.
It's a creature from the Black Lagoon.
Yeah. But somebody had to wear that when they were in the water. Somebody had to wear it when they were in the movie. That's like a very, very famous movie. They did some James Bond movies.
A creature from the Black Lagoon, James Bond, and what else did you say?
Tarzan.
Tarzan. The original one?
What's my favorite movie?
I don't know that one.
Oh yeah, Tarzan.
The only mermaid movie I know is Splash.
Yeah. That's the only one I know of.
Yeah, just tell me where you want me to go.
That's an oil projector. On,
Is Jane Mansfield?
I think she was the main actress, wasn't she?
I don't know. They had to and stuff. They didn't do it for a very long time and stuff. I think that is what one of the statues looks like that's submerged. It's like under the water.
Oh, is it? Is that what
I
they
think
look like? So you were really young, you don't remember.
I don't really remember. Over there?
At the local Lowe's, which is pretty close to our house.
I think it's a turtle shell.
I walked
Yeah, I'm
in,
sure it was.
we were some kind of project, I went over there and saw all these police in front of the service center. But I never asked anybody else, so, got what I needed and I left. Dad had to go back to the Lowe's.
That's a cool picture.
Yeah.
And the black bear, the black bear.
Apparently they got manatees over here too.
I think they have species everywhere. It's Florida.
He got him a fish.
What is that? Otter? Is that an otter?
Yeah, they shot a lot of movies here. Creature from the Black Lagoon, Tarzan, and a lot of James Bond movies. So now we're just looking at different stuff like manatees and stuff like that in here, which I think is pretty cool. Got a little snake over here by that log.
No, corn snake, I don't think those are poisonous.
Oh, king snakes are not poisonous.
These are corn snakes.
Those are corn snakes?
They are non-venomous. They're not poisonous.
Oh, non-venomous corn
There he is,
snakes.
out there.
My sanity about to break.
Oh, well, this is a king snake, so it's non-venomous too.
On a trip, on a
He
boat,
eats
on a
other
lake.
snakes.
I'm tired of feeling
Yeah.
on FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our
corn
spirits
snake
all
line.
on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean